Hello guys, welcome back to the next part, next vlog or whatever it is. Today we are super happy. Why we are happy?
We went and met one of a very inspiring guy in military. He's a major at Kashmir, and the insights that he's given and the possibilities and the need for the military. Now it's very clear in our mind what's missing in military and how we can add value to our armed forces. And we've gone through his life, through his military life, and we see a huge potential that can be done by us, and the future looks bright. So there have been these few products that we have discussed, 4 products, and then mainly it starts with a military person entering his camp, and then their safety there, their missions, and their exit from the camp to their home back, and then again reporting to the camp. So it's like the whole military systems complete workflow can be assisted through us.
Yes. And like the beauty is the way we started our day. It was not planned at all. ठीक है? It was unplanned. We went with empty mind, and the insights, as he mentioned, and the journey that he has gone through, like it was so inspiring, and it gave us more strength at like basically what we do for the right people, for the right cause. And super motivated, and long way to go.
And the whole journey of us both and our team in the last 1 week sums up to this very moment.
Yes.
And whatever we've been imagining, we have been seeing the path for our team and the vision. It only became better now.
Yes.
So I think this very moment here on the road, we are coming back to Hyderabad from Warangal, and I think there's a huge gap that needs to be filled in Indian system, be it military, be it education, be it the safety of the industrial workers, whatever it is. I think now we see where we fit in the whole Indian system.
It's already 12, and like it's just not this one day. Like in the past 7 days, we have traveled 3-4 times like this. In the night, in the morning, we're leaving continuous. This guy is driving 6 hours, and like it's exciting at the same time tiring. But the work which we do, the path we are on, we don't see towards like what is like exhausting us or anything. It's it's always fueling us.
Yes.
So we're working.
We never liked traveling. Okay, so if it was fun and all, we would have been tired. But things that we are doing, they just make me feel more excited to what's coming. And so this is it. We will update you guys the moment we go back to our office.
And like exciting things are coming. That is for sure.
Bye. Signing off.